The colors of food have many health-promoting properties. They come in the form of vitamins and minerals and phytonutrients.
I totally get basic vitamins and minerals, but could you please explain to us about these phytonutrients?
The simplest answer would be is that they are chemicals found in our food. And these chemicals have been linked to reducing the risk of things like heart disease, some cancers, autoimmune disease, and even diabetes.
Okay, take us through some of the colors from a health perspective. I assume carrots and blueberries offer different benefits.
Yes, they do, and there's so many different colors and so many benefits. We'll just cover a few of them. Let's start with the purples and blues. They've been shown to help prevent heart disease and also lower the risks of certain cancers.
What about the color green in, say, broccoli or kale?
Green's claim to fame is it helps the liver naturally detoxify our body, thus eliminating potentially harmful chemicals that we might have ingested.
And yellow-green?
Yellow-green contains a phytonutrient called lutein, and lutein's been linked to reducing the risk of macular degeneration.
Tell us about the color red.
Lycopene is the color red. Red grapefruit, tomatoes, even watermelon. The red in food has been linked to reduction of certain cancers, reduction of heart disease, and it helps prevent our skin from sun damage.
And yellow-orange, like cantaloupe or butternut squash.
That's a color that's a real workhorse. It helps regulate blood sugar. It's an anti-inflammatory agent. It actually helps protect our eyes from cataracts.
Okay, I've got it. Yellow produce is good for my eyes. Blue is good for my heart. What about white? Things like cauliflower, parsnips, or white asparagus.
Those are winter whites. And my general rule of thumb is that if Mother Nature made it white, it's full of phytonutrients and good for us. If man made it white, like white flour or white rice, then it's been stripped of so many nutrients.
What about fruit versus vegetables? They both offer a rainbow of colors.
They do, and they both contain important nutrients and phytonutrients. I usually like to emphasize the vegetables. It's really easy for most of us to get 2 or 3 servings of fruit. And you have to remember fruit does contain natural, simple sugar. Vegetables don't. So I've changed the eat more fruits and vegetables to eat more vegetables and a few more fruit.
So my philosophy for today's poulet jardin is to emphasize a flavorful rainbow of vegetables with just a modest portion of meat.
I think you did a fantastic job on 2 points. Number one, you showed us this array of colorful vegetables and reminded us that there's a lot of different vegetables out there. We don't have to stick with green beans. The other thing is that you really showed the proportions of what we should be eating. Most of our plate should be from plant and just a little bit of protein. We'd all be better off if we went to a more plant-based diet. Remember, when starting any new diet or exercise program, you need to speak to your doctor. If you have a question about your diet, a registered dietitian can help with that.